Using the color green, make a magic ring, chain 1 and work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Pull the end to close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 4 and into the next single crochet work a double crochet. Chain 1 and work a double crochet into the next single crochet and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the third chain using the color pink. Chain 3 and work 4 more double crochet together into the same stitch to make a bubble stitch. Then chain 3 and into the next double crochet work a double crochet. Chain 3 and into the next double crochet make a bubble stitch of 5 double crochet worked together. Chain 3 and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first bubble stitch using the color purple. Chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 5, 1 single crochet into the next double crochet. Chain 5, 1 single crochet into the next bubble stitch and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet and start the next round from the first 5 chain space. Chain 2, work a half double crochet, then 2 double crochet, then a triple crochet, two double crochet, and 1 half double crochet, all in the same 5 chain space. So let's do it again, going into the next 5 chain space and work 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet, and repeat until the end of the round. We will cut the yarn and start the next round using color green into the triple crochet. Chain 1 single crochet, then chain 7 and into the next triple crochet make 1 single crochet. Chain 7, go into the next triple crochet and work a single crochet and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 single crochet into each of the following stitches, including chain stitches or single crochet. Close the round with a slip stitch using the color pink. Chain 3 and into the same stitch work 2 triple crochet, chain 3 and 2 more triple crochet into the same stitch, then one double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, then 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and repeat this section until the end of the round. Slip stitch into the first triple crochet using the color of white, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the first 2 stitches, then into the 3 chain space corner 2 double crochet, chain 3 and another 2 double crochet, and continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch and into the corners 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet to complete the square. Slip stitch into the first double crochet and the square is done.